Right off the top of this video, please hit like down below. That'll really help my video get out there. This is about something called Vitali Slim. Supports weight management. It is a dietary supplement with a green bottle. It mentions Infinity Health Labs. And so if you're looking at Vitali Slim supplements, Vitali Slim reviews, Vitali Slim supplements reviews, anything like that, hopefully my video is going to be able to help you out. So I saw a video online. I'm going to show it to you now. You can see my screen is black. I'm going to hit play on this. This is a video that is going to present scam marketing. I'm not here to call Vitali Slim a scam. I am, however, here to tell you there's scam marketing happening out there, whether it's a third party, someone misusing the product, whatever. I want to warn you because no doctors, hospitals, universities, or famous people of any kind have ever endorsed this product from what I've been able to find. Instead, I'm seeing a lot of scam marketing out there, claiming different doctors or famous people did partake in this and they never did. And I'm assuming there's going to be a recipe promise with this video, like these homemade ingredients, you can do it tonight or something like that. Let's see exactly what's going on here with the video.
This is the bariatric gelatin recipe I shared on the last episode of Good Morning America, and for those who missed it, I'm going to teach it again. After the show aired, this natural method went completely viral and became a huge success among everyday women and even celebrities. Take a look.
The bariatric gelatin recipe was incredible for me. In the first 15 days, I lost 9 pounds, and by the end of 2 months, I was down 41 pounds. And no, I didn't need surgery or any weight loss medication. I would never go through something that isn't natural, and the best part is I still eat my sweets, which have always been my weakness.
All right, so let's talk about this. This is something where they're promising a bariatric gelatin recipe, a bariatric gelatin trick, and it's got Dr. Jennifer Ashton, who has nothing to do with this. So if you're looking at Vitali Slim Dr. Ashton, Vitali Slim Dr. Jennifer Ashton, or just Vitali Slim reviews, no, she has nothing to do with it. And the promise of a gelatin recipe, a bariatric gelatin recipe, is a lie. It is a marketing technique that scammers came up with to hook you into watching this entire video to think that you're going to receive a recipe sometime during the video, but they're never going to reveal it to you. They're going to keep promising you, hey, 2 minutes from now, we're going to tell you, 1 minute from now, in just 30 seconds, and they're never going to tell you what it is. An hour will go by, probably, something like that, with this video. And at the very end of the video, they offer you a bottle of supplements called Vitali Slim, not a recipe. Big surprise. Scammers do this all the time. They promise some sort of homemade ingredients, an herb, a spice, a fruit, a vegetable, a meat, something in your pantry or refrigerator that most people have because it's familiar. They choose familiar items, no matter what it is. They want you to think that if you just mix up these things, maybe there's a bottle of apple cider vinegar in the background. I know what that is. I've heard that that has miracle properties, even though it doesn't. Stuff like that. That's what you'll see with these scams.
Weakness.
In the past few weeks, viewers from all over the country have been sending in videos showing amazing results after trying this natural recipe made with simple ingredients anyone has at home. And the best part, this recipe has no side effects, costs less than $10, and works without any kind of diet or exercise. Sarah, a mom of a 2-year-old boy, sent this video to GMA to show the results she got.
My dream was to lose the 31 pounds I gained after pregnancy, and with Dr. Jen's bariatric gelatin recipe, I did it even without having time to go to the gym.
Today on Good Morning America, I'll explain this weight loss method in detail and reveal why this is the only recipe capable of melting up to 13 pounds of fat in just 15 days. Stay tuned. It's always a pleasure to be here, and today I'm going to show you how to properly prepare the famous bariatric gelatin recipe, the one that went completely viral on social media, reaching millions of views. Quick tip, grab a pen and paper and write everything down, because I know many of you will look unrecognizable.
There's AI on the left, I could tell.
And there's more. I've prepared an early Christmas gift for everyone watching Good Morning America today, but hold on, I'll tell you how to claim yours at the end of this video. I first recommended this recipe to Cheryl Burke, and she was one of the very first to try it. Now, it's gone viral because she melted off 41 pounds in less than 2 months and looks like a completely new person. And don't be fooled, there were no expensive injections involved.
We don't need to watch any more of this. This is a scam, and again, I'm saying it's like maybe third-party people or affiliates or something like that, people misusing the product, whatever it may be. They're claiming that if you buy Vitali Slim from Infinity Health Labs, that you're going to achieve miracle results, and it's going to be amazing. Dr. Jennifer Ashton from GMA has something to do with it, and she does not. This is a scam in terms of the marketing. I have not bought the product, but I'm telling you right now, someone who's made thousands of different videos about scams and is also a reporter full-time who does this on a different website, that this is a scam. The product, I'm not calling the product a scam, but whenever you see marketing like this with deep fake visuals, manipulated lip movement to make it seem like Dr. Jennifer Ashton is talking, but she's not talking about this, and other things like celebrity endorsements that aren't real. Cheryl Burke, Adele, or whoever they were going to show, Rebel Wilson, they show a lot in these videos, other people, then you need to stay far away from this and go see a doctor. And if you don't like that, I cannot recommend you to go and buy something that has scam marketing. And I hope that you understand that sometimes people get mad and they're like, you didn't even try the product. Well, these products sometimes come with surprise subscription costs of hundreds of dollars a month. Also, people report to me all the time that they are charged an initial fee that is bigger than they thought it was going to be for similar products, as well as the fact that the money back guarantee is never honored in the way that they thought it was going to be. Maybe there was some tricky language in there or something. That is maybe the case with this product, because it's the same sort of thing I see all the time if you go through a scam funnel. I'm not saying if you go find like a official website for this Infinity Health Labs Vitali Slim supplements product that you're going to run into those same problems. But what you are not going to find are miracle properties in the pill to help you lose weight in an amazing way, unlike anyone's ever seen before. That is the scam promise. So go see a doctor, like, comment, subscribe. Join button is big. That's down below. Vitali Slim supplements reviews. Vitali Slim reviews. If you're looking at Vitali Slim, Dr. Jennifer Ashton, anything like that. I hope that my video has helped you. Thank you so much for watching.